My name is Matt Bulkley, and I am a therapist and executive director and co-founder at Star Guides Wilderness. Wilderness therapy has a capacity to create change that is unprecedented and far beyond what I've ever been able to achieve working with youth in an outpatient setting or any other setting. Well, I start my day every morning by working out. I look forward to that. When I wake up in the morning, I'm excited to get up and to go to the gym and to work out, to get my blood moving. Something that I started when I was an adolescent, and feel like it's been an important part of being able to maintain my own mental health over the years. I think one of the most important lessons that I've learned is that change is always possible. No matter how pervasive or bleak or problematic the issues have been. I think over the years I've always been surprised that even the most difficult situations that there's reason to be hopeful that things will shift and that there will be change that happens.